Tired of juggling multiple banking apps just to keep track of your money? Ever wish your bank account could do more than just hold your cash? Well, what if I told you there's an app that makes managing your money feel less like a chore and more like a superpower? Welcome to Monzo. In this video, we're going on a quick tour of the Monzo app. I'll show you the key features and how easy it is to navigate. Whether you're a total beginner or just curious about what all the fuss is about, this is your guide to getting the most out of Monzo. First up, the home screen. This is your mission control. Right at the top, you'll see your balance, clear as day. Below that is your transaction feed, updating in real time. Seriously, the second you tap your card, you get a notification. No more guessing how much you have left after a coffee run. Now, let's talk about the game changer, pots. You can find them right on the home screen. This is where Monzo truly shines. Think of pots as virtual jars for your money. Planning a holiday? Create a holiday pot. Saving for a new phone? Make a new phone pot. You can set a target and a deadline, and Monzo will help you get there. You can even set up a rule called roundups, so every time you spend, Monzo rounds up the change and puts it into a pot for you. It's like a digital piggy bank that fills itself. See the plus symbol at the top right? Tap on that. This is where you can do everything from opening a joint account to applying for a loan or Monzo Flex, which lets you pay for purchases in installments. Monzo makes it incredibly simple to explore and add new features to your account. Next, let's look at the tabs at the bottom. The Home button is a given, but next to it is the Payments tab. This is where you send money, pay bills, or even split a bill with friends who also use Monzo. No more awkward conversations about who owes what. Just tap, find your friend, and send them a request. Then we have the Trends tab. This is your financial health dashboard. Monzo automatically categorizes your spending, like groceries, transport, or eating out, so you can see exactly where your money is going. It's a powerful tool for budgeting without the headache. You can set monthly budgets for each category, and Monzo will send you a nudge if you're getting close to your limit. Finally, the Account tab in the bottom right corner. This is your hub for all things settings and support. If you ever lose your card, you can freeze it with a single tap here. It's a massive peace of mind feature. You can also view your statements, update your details, or get in touch with Monzo's 24/7 customer support. Everything is right there, at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.